Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, subtopic compound angles. What is compound angles? The algebraic sum of two or more angles is called compound angles. Like a plus b or a minus b, a plus b minus c are called compound angles. Okay, we have cos a plus b formula. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and cos a minus b formula cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay, sin a plus b formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a minus b sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, tan a plus b, tan a minus b. So we have tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, tan a minus b, this will be tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay. Okay, now explain question number 1. Find the values of sin 15, cos 15, sin 75, cos 75 up to cosecant 75. Okay, so these values are most important. First, I explain sin 15 value. Okay, this 15 can be written as sin 45 minus 30. Okay, 15 place in right, 45 minus 30 by using sin a minus b formula. We have sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, where a b place in right 45 and 30. Sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. Okay, so sin 45 value 1 by root 2, cos 30 value root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 value 1 by 2. Okay, what is LCM? So 2 root 2 LCM, so root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is sin 15. Okay, we have sin 15 is equal to, this 15 can be written as 90 minus 75. Okay, we have sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So this is equal to cos 75. Okay, sin 15 cos 75 both are equal. So sin 15 value already we got root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so sin 15 is equal to cos 75 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, now explain cos 15 value. Okay, sin 15 over sin 15 cos 75 over both are equal. So now explain cos 15 sin 75 both are equal. So cos 15 is equal to cos, this can be written as 45 minus 30. Okay, so by using cos a minus b formula, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay, on AB place in, we should write 45 and 30. So cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. So this value will be cos 45 value. We have 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2 into this is 1 by 2. So let us do LCM 2 root 2. So root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, this is cos 15. Okay, cos 15 is equal to, so 15 can be written as 90 minus 75. Cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, we have sin theta, sin 75. So this value will be cos 15 sin 75 both are equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so cos 15 and sin 75 over. Okay, now explain tan 15 value. So tan 15 and cot 75 both are equal. Okay, so now explain this value. Tan 15 we have sin 15 by cos 15. Sin 15 value we have root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so 2 root 2 get cancelled. What is this value? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay, let us do denominator rationalization. So root 3 minus 1 divide and multiply. In numerator root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 whole square. In denominator, so by using a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square, this will be root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Okay, in numerator write a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. The denominator value 3 minus 1 2. Okay, 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 1 2, take out common. So 2 minus root 3 by 2. So tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3. Therefore tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3. This 15 can be written as 90 minus 75 is equal, right, 2 minus root 3. So tan 90 minus theta, we have cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot 75. Cot 75 value 2 minus root 3. So tan 15, cot 75 both are equal to 2 minus root 3. Okay, now explain. Cot 15 and tan 75 both are equal. Okay, cot 15 value. Cot 15 formula cos by sin, cos 15 by sin 15. We have cos 15 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So sin 15 value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So let us do denominator rationalization. So root 3 plus 1 divide and multiply. In numerator write a plus b into a plus b whole square formula 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. In denominator a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 root 3. So denominator 2, 1 2, take out common, 2 plus root 3 by 2. 1 2 get cancelled. This is equal to cot 15. Okay, 15 place and write 90 minus 75. This value 2 plus root 3. So cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Tan 75 is also 2 plus root 3. So cot 15, tan 75 both are equal to 2 plus root 3. Okay, now explain secant 15 value. Secant 15 and cosecant 75 both are equal. Okay, so secant 15 value 1 by cos 15. 1 by cos 15 value we have root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, this is nothing but 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1. So let us do denominator rationalization. So this will be 2 root 2, 2 into this root 2 multiply with root 3 minus 1, root 2 into root 3, root 6, root 2 into 1 is root 2. So denominator a plus b into a minus b value, this value will be 2. Okay, 2 get cancelled. So root 6 minus root 2. So secant 15 value. So secant, this 15 can be written as 90 minus 75. Secant 90 minus theta, this will be cosecant theta. Cosecant 75 is equal to root 6 minus root 2. Okay. Okay, now explain cosecant 15, secant 75. Both are equal. Okay, cosecant 15. This can be written as 1 by sin 15. Sin 15 value we have root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 root 2 by root 3 minus 1. So let us do denominator rationalization. Okay, this will be 2 into This root 2 multiply with root 3 plus 1. Root 2 into root 3, root 6. Plus root 2 into 1, root 2. In denominator, by using a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So root 3 whole square minus 1 square. This is nothing but 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. So 2 times of root 6 plus root 2 by 2. 1, 2 get cancelled. What is this value? Cosecant 15. So cosecant 15 can be written as 90 minus 75 is equal to root 6 plus root 2. So cosecant 90 minus theta, we have secant theta. Secant 75 is equal to root 6 plus root 2. Okay. Cosecant 15 value, secant 75 value, both are equal to root 6 plus root 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Find the value of cos square 52 and half minus sin square 22 and half. Okay. We have cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus sin square a, both are equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So this will be cos a plus b, where a place in right 52 and half, b value 22 and half. Okay, now this is going to be 52 and half a plus b, 52 and half plus 22 and half into cos 52 and half minus 22 and half. Okay, a minus b, okay, degrees. So cos of 52 plus 22, 74 plus half 1, 75. This is cos of 52 and half minus 22 and half. This is will be 30 degrees. Cos 75 degrees value. Cos 75 degrees value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Cos 75 value we got root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Okay. This value will be root 3 into root 3, 3 minus root 3 by 4 root 2. So root 3 into root 3, 3 minus root 3 by 4 root 2. Let us go to the next problem. So theta lies between 0 to pi by 2. 2 sin theta is equal to root 3 cos 10 plus sin 10 given. Then we have to find theta value. Okay. How can we solve this problem? So 1, 2 divide on both sides. 2 sin theta by 2. This root 3 by 2 cos 10 plus 1 by 2 sin 10. 1, 2 get cancelled. Sin theta equal to this root 3 by 2 sin 60 into cos 10. This 1 by 2 is cos 60 into sin 10. So sin theta equal to, this is in the form of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b sin a plus b. 60 plus 10. Therefore theta is equal to 70. What is the answer? 70 degrees. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Find the value of tan 20 plus tan 25 plus tan 20 into tan 25. Okay. So what is the relation between 20 and 25? 20 plus 25 equal to 45. So let us take condition 20 plus 25 equal to 45. Okay, now applying tangent on both sides. Tan 20 plus 25 equal to tan 45. So tan 45 value 1. So by using tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus b. Okay, tan a, tan 20 plus tan 25 by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan 25 into tan 20 equal to 1. Okay, let us do cross product. Okay, so this value will be tan 20 plus tan 25 equal to 1 times of this value, 1 minus tan 20 into tan 25. This negative value bring the left side. Therefore tan 20 plus tan 25. This minus value bring the left side, that is positive, tan 20 into tan 25. So what is the answer? Answer 1. So what is required? Tan 20 plus tan 25 plus tan 20 tan 25. This value will be 1. Okay, moving on, next question. Find the value of tan 40 plus tan 80 minus root 3 times of tan 40 tan 80. Okay. So let us take one relation between 40 80. 40 plus 80 equal to 120. Okay, now applying tangent on both sides. Tan of 40 plus 80 equal to tan 120. Okay, we have tan 120 value. So tan is written as 180 minus 60. This is minus tan 60 minus root 3. Okay, right. So by using tan A plus B formula, tan A tan 40 degrees plus tan 80 upon 1 minus tan 40 into tan 80 equal tan 120 value. We got it minus root 3. Okay, so let us do cross product. By cross product, this value will be, so tan 40 plus tan 80 is equal to, so minus root 3 times of 1 minus tan 40 tan 80. So minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3, minus into minus plus root 3 times of tan 40 tan 80. Okay, this positive value bring the left side. Therefore tan 40 plus tan 80 minus root 3 tan 40 into tan 80 equal to, what is the answer? So minus root 3 is answer. Minus root 3 answer. Okay, look at the next question. Find the value of cos A plus cos 120 minus A plus cos 120 plus A. Okay, write cos A. We have cos A minus B formula. Cos 120 cos A plus sin 120 sin A. Okay, plus, okay, by using cos A plus B formula, cos 120 cos A minus sin 120 sin A. So sin 120 sin A get cancelled, positive negative. So this will be cos A cos 120 cos A cos 120 cos A. This is 2 cos 120 cos A. Okay, cos A plus 2 times of cos 120 value. Cos 120 is equal to cos this right now 180 minus 60. This value cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta minus cos 60. So minus 1 by 2. Cos 120 value minus 1 by 2 into cos A. These 2 get cancelled. Cos A plus into minus minus cos A. So now cos A get cancelled. Answer will be 0. Okay, look at the next question. Find the value of tan 80 minus tan 10 by tan 70. Okay, the relation between 80, 10, 70. We have 80 minus 10 is equal to 70. Okay, so now applying tangent on both sides. Tan of 80 minus 10 is equal to tan 70. This will be, so by using tan A minus B formula, tan 80 minus tan 10. What is the formula? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan 80 tan 10 is equal to tan 70. Okay. But what is our target? Tan 80 minus tan 10 by tan 70. Okay. So tan 80 minus tan 10. The tan 70 brings left side on divide. Okay, this value brings left side. 1 plus tan 80 into tan 10. So 1 plus, this is a statement. Tan 80 into tan 10 value 1. We have tan 80 into tan 10. Tan 80 into tan 10. This can be written as 90 minus 80. So tan 80 into tan 90 minus theta. We have cot theta, cot 80. Okay, tan 80, cot 80 get cancelled 1. So tan 80 into tan 10 value 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So answer is 2. Okay, look at the next question. Cosecant 15 plus secant 15. We have cosecant 15 root 6 plus root 2. This value root 6 minus root 2. Okay, root 2 get cancelled. Answer will be 2 root 6. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Sin theta plus alpha equal to cos theta plus alpha. Then we have to find tan alpha. Okay, what is given? Sin theta plus alpha equal to cos theta plus alpha. Okay, divide cos theta plus alpha on both sides. So cos theta plus alpha get cancelled. So sin by cos, we get tan theta plus alpha equal to 1. Okay, so tan theta plus alpha equal to this one place in right, tan 45. Therefore theta plus alpha equal 45. But our target is tan alpha. Okay, from this equation alpha equal to 45 minus theta. Alpha equal to 45 minus theta. What is required? So tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal tan, where alpha place in right, 45 minus theta. We have tan A minus B formula. Tan A, this is A, B. So tan 45 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan 45 into tan theta. Okay, this will be, so tan 45 value 1 minus tan theta by, in denominator write 1 plus tan theta. Okay, tan 45 value 1 plus tan theta. Okay, moving on, next question. Find the value of cos pi by 4 plus A into cos pi by 4 minus B minus sin pi by 4 plus A into sin pi by 4 minus A. Okay, we have cos A, cos B, cos X, cos Y minus sin X, sin Y. Okay, what is the formula? Cos X plus Y. Cos of, where X place in right, pi by 4 plus A, Y place in pi by 4 minus B. This will be cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2. Okay, 45 plus 45, 90 plus A minus B. We have cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta. Minus sin A minus B. Okay, minus sin A minus B or sin of B minus A. This minus multiply with angle sin B minus A. Let us go to the next problem. Tan 20 value given P, then we have to find this value. Okay, so tan this 160. This 160 place in right, 180 minus 20. 180 minus 20 minus tan 110. This place in right, 90 plus 20 upon, in denominator also same, 160. This place in right, 180 minus 20 into tan 90 plus 20. We have tan 180 minus theta minus tan theta. So minus tan 90 plus theta, tan 90 plus theta minus cot theta. Minus cot theta minus cot 20 upon 1 plus, same tan 180 minus theta minus tan 20 into this value minus cot 20. So minus tan 20 value given P. So this is minus P, minus into minus plus P, plus cot 20 value, reciprocal of tan. So 1 by P. This whole divided by tan 20, cot 20 get cancelled. 1 minus into minus plus 1. So let us do LCM. P LCM minus P square plus 1 minus P square plus 1 by 2P. So what is the answer? 1 minus P square by 2P. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.